I skirt every time. Oh my God.
What's going on, guys? My favorite thing, Beamer. Thank you for tuning in. It's back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing something very, very fun, something very, very exciting. I'm going to be doing MHD tune on my homeboy's Andrew's 335i. He has stage 1 right now, and he's going to be upping it, so let's see how fast it is. This is his right here. If you guys don't watch my other videos, I mention them all the time. Yeah, this is this 335i. Pretty nice. I just got done doing a couple of things on my other video. If you guys didn't watch it, that's what brought you guys here. Appreciate you guys watching again. But today we're going to be taking care of this beauty right here, MHD2 Plus. Can't forget the plus. He already has inlets, a blowout valve, charge pipe, I believe, and inlets, and an intercooler and down pipe. So he really has everything ready to go for it to be MHD2 Plus. I think next he should get a custom mat. That would be pretty fire. And then after that, you know what I'm saying, we're going to tell the difference between that and the custom. So yeah, just one step at a time. My car is also about to get MHD2 map, so that's coming soon. But right now, it's all about a 335, man. Let's get right. On video, we're putting the battery on. Make sure the positives and negatives are the right. For 335s, your negative is over here. Just remember that. And obviously your positive is right there. So right now, I'm going to let my homeboy connect to his MHD through his phone, just like the other videos we did. If you didn't watch it, I'm going to put a tag up below so you guys can watch it. It's going to be to the top right, I believe. You guys want to watch that. If you guys don't know how to do one just for MHD purposes or just buying one, etc., that video is going to be right there for you. But right now, we're going to put the MHD tune on his car, the Stage 2 Plus.
Stage 2 Plus.
He putting it on right now.
E40, not just Stage 2 Plus.
There you go, E50.
Stage 2 Plus, E50. That's the biggest map pack you can get on MHD. Look at that. Zoom in on him.
Zoom in on it, man.
Stage 2 Plus,
right
E50.
there, right there. You see it? MHD's 2 Plus.
We got Stage 2 Plus. We got the pump in the back, so technically we could go higher and get a custom tune on this shit.
You should. I told him you should, man.
18.
Yeah. Full right. But first do the First you're gonna do the options, do the exhaust burbles or whatever you want. After you put this tune on, we're gonna go to the gas station, put the e40 mix inside of it, put like maybe 2 or 3 gallons in it, and you're gonna make sure how it runs. We're gonna do before and after, guys. So before we put the MHD2 Plus with the e40 mix, and then we're gonna do a whole another after video, and we're gonna show you guys the performance, how it relates.
All right.
Hopefully it's 10 times better, man. You guys gonna find out right now.
So what are we doing? Just leave everything how it is?
I'm gonna show you right now.
Verbal?
Yeah, if that's what you want. I put like
on
3
sport.
seconds, and then for the bass, meaning like that's RPMs. Go to the do you want high RPMs? Do you want it to happen with high RPMs? Or you want low, like around 5, 6, 7? You know what I'm saying? RPM. That's where you're gonna start popping with off the gas.
A little bit lower.
All right, so put like maybe 4,000.
I was thinking like
2,000 maybe.
2,500.
Yeah.
Where's that? That's like we'll do it like 2,400.
All right, yeah, that's good. I think I have 2005.
Mine only goes in 200 intervals. That's okay.
And then if you want sport mode or regular mode, do you want the like on sport mode? Do you want it longer?
Aggressive.
Yeah,
medium.
Yeah.
Medium.
I say I have mine hard, bro, but you want to see it like right
medium.
now.
We'll do medium. Well, we can always change it.
Change it. Yeah, you go with change it.
Let's enable standstill. You know what that is?
No, I mean it's just how it sounds when it's like neutral or whatever. You're not
so duration, that's in drive.
That's in regular mode. So it's just like regular and drive.
Doesn't really
mode.
matter, right? I like it more in sport.
Exactly.
If I put it in sport,
exactly.
So let's do duration 2 seconds. How do you have yours at?
I have mine at 2.3.
2.3?
Yeah, but I don't know, bro. Like you said, you might. You're gonna see if you like it or not.
2 seconds.
Yeah, put in 2 seconds.
Not all the way max, but you know, you're getting a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Duration and base, you just leave it on. You left it on 0.5.
I left it on 1. Just in case.
You put it to 1.
Yeah, just the 1.
All right. So 1 and then 2. That's a good interval.
And then you also can right here. I believe you can go up. If you go up all the way up, you can see like for cold starts. Where is that?
Oh, I see. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, for
I
cold
saw
starts, if you don't want to be too loud.
Cold start reduction? Nah, we leave it.
Yeah.
We leave it.
You want that loud stuff.
You want it, bro.
Loud on.
Port injection. We don't have port injection.
Nah.
We're on stock coolant, right?
Yeah, you're on stock coolant.
Desensitize the knock tables. What's that?
That means that little ticking noise when it first starts. It'll try to. I mean, that's the whole point of it, but it doesn't really like work that much.
You did it?
I didn't do it.
All right, leave it off. What about turbo wastegate rattles?
They're gonna rattle regardless. I heard that actually does the opposite since it tries to stop it. You know what I'm saying?
Alone.
Yeah.
Launch control. We don't have manual transmission.
Nah. I mean, you still can use it though.
Launch control RPM. It's okay. We'll leave it. You have yours on?
No, I didn't put mine on.
Everything else is the same,
good.
right?
Yeah, you're good.
All right, that's it then. I'm not gonna touch it anymore.
And then just write it up. Go back and just write it up.
Full right. Battery charger.
Full right.
Connected. Hell yeah.
So now it's just a waiting game. It shouldn't not take that long.
So I leave my phone here. Even if it turns off the phone, it will still work?
Yeah, it still work.
So just leave it here.
Everything, leave it there. You're good to go.
Let's go get it. Let's go get some gas. Hell yeah.
Right now, it's doing a full right on the E40 tune. We're going to go get some E40 mix, maybe like 2 or 3 gallons, and then we'll come back and we'll fill it up and do a little test run the before and after the E40. And shit, it's going to be a nice-ass video, man. It's going to be fire. So update, he finally got it successfully completed. And we're just sitting here waiting for the 30 seconds buy over, the layaway.
16 minutes.
It got done in 16 minutes.
Not too
See,
bad.
not too bad. MHD tune is where it's at. The wire one be taking like 30 to an hour, bro. I heard. That shit's crazy.
All right, what do you say? Start up.
Start that shit up.
Do you have to do anything?
No.
With the battery charger on?
Yeah, battery charger on still.
Quiet start.
Quiet start.
But you know it's slightly warmed up already, so I'll give it that.
All right, first test drive. Let's get it, man.
God, bro. I gotta wait for my temps to dry.
Yeah.
Come on before we even,
I already know.
Sounds a little different. Sounds a little deeper. Those always come up. My ABS sensor's bad. Alright. Well, how we get? Oh yeah, I can feel more boost on mid-drive and it's like, oh my god, dude, I feel it. Like, I barely put like my pinky on the gas and it's like, I don't want to, I'm gonna scare myself when I do go to Florida. Hold on, we're coming in hot. Don't worry about us, you know, we just got a Beamer.
Yeah,
nothing special about it.
Nothing special, just a little turbo.
Just a
little snail.
Alright, you can look at your gauges, right?
Yeah, you can.
How you do that?
I set that right now for you.
Yeah, you do. I'm driving. Alright, we're going right? Right?
Yeah, go right.
I'm gonna put it up a little bit so I can talk, so I can hear what's going on. Let's go up to like right there. So
gauges.
So when I take off, it's perfect. I heard that 11 is perfect when you're not on the gas. Watch, 11 is perfect PSI when you're not on the gas. That's what I heard. Once I get into boost, which I have not yet, so I'm gonna give like a tiny bit. Oh yeah. Oh shit. See if you can tighten that. There's a way you can.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Dude. This shit gonna blast. When I put it in M2, bro, you better hold on tight because we're going fucking fully. I'm still just letting it gradually warm up. I can't even go fast because
the car in the way, yeah.
I want to hit it, bro.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Full send. Full send. Damn, bro.
We gotta put E50 in. Hang on, here we go. Ready?
Get it. Oh shit!
Oh my god! Holy shit! Bro! What the fuck?
Shit's crazy.
Bro! Dude, that is insanely fast. I skirt every time. Oh my. What? Bro, we're not even on E50.
You're not even on E50 yet,
what
man.
What the fuck? I'm on pump gas. Alright, we need to get E50, bro. Where's the fucking station?
Shit.
Oh my god, even the third! Even Even the third boost, bro. Oh my god. Even the third.
By the way, guys, this is without E40. There's no mix. There's just the regular 2 point.
It's 93 pump gas.
Oh my goodness,
pump
man.
fucking gas.
Hit that. Oh, yeah, make that.
Oh, we gonna make it. Fuck that one.
This guy, I think this station right here. Yes, sir. So how you feel about it, Andrew? I know it's not fully done, so we ain't got E40 in yet, man. But
I cannot believe how awesome the MHD is, bro.
You heard it from the mouth of the wolf, man.
So
mouth of the
how
goat.
much boost we got on it?
It's about 1920. About 1920.
Dude, this is like flying. We're gonna put some E85 on right now.
I just feel like E85 is gonna make a major difference. You're already running the tune. It's gonna be crazy. 5, man.
All right, bro. Let's put him in. See what we got. 85. Stage 2 fuel pump.
I love that. You wanna race?
That's a nice one.
Race?
I bet you I'll beat him.
Will.
Or maybe I'll be close. Man, that's just cheap. Cheap per gallon.
It happened to pull up on me, man. The super, man. Shit's fine. Yes, sir.
I'm tuned on MHD. I'm coming.
Ah.
I'm tuned E50. I got E50 in the tank. Y'all motherfucker. Let me cut you off, bitch. Got a blast.
Did that shit.
335 high, come on, bitch. Where you going? No misfires now.
So as you guys can see, yes sir. Enjoy the boost, my boy. Yo, with that being said, my homeboy just left. He enjoyed the tune. He's on a stage 2 E40 mix, so he's running around 450 horsepower, I believe, and that thing goes. The boost kicks in and it's gone. I appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, just so I can post more videos like this. Let me know what you guys want under the comments. Make sure you drop a comment as well. And if you guys want any more stuff like this and content like this, just let me know and I'll get right to it. And that being said, remember guys, keep the boost high and keep that stress low. This is Mark from Everything Beamer. Call it a night, and you guys have a blessed night. Until next time, remember, like, comment, and subscribe. It helped the algorithm up, man. Appreciate y'all.